file anyone can edit sounds harmless, until someone edits it for you. In Linux, every file has 3 sets of permissions: owner, group, and others. World-Writable means the others category has write access, typically shown as permission mode 777 in Octal or the O+W notation. This means any user or process on the system can modify that file's contents. That opens the door to tampering, injecting malicious code, replacing legitimate commands, or corrupting critical data. The most dangerous scenario is privilege escalation. Imagine a shell script owned by root that runs automatically. A system startup script or a cron job executing as root. If that script is world-writable, any low-privilege user can edit it. They inject their own commands, and the next time root executes the script, those commands run with full root privileges. A powerless attacker just became root. Classic targets include cron jobs in /etc/c /ron. .d startup scripts and config files loaded by privileged daemons. To find world-writable files, run find /-perm-o+w. Remove the write bit with chmod w, and for shared directories like /tmp, apply the sticky bit. So users can only delete their own files. World-writable files let any user tamper with privileged content. Audit your permissions, fix them with chmod, and never let attackers write their way to root. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.